I have a TOTO tank and wall toilet that keeps running after filling up. How do I get the float out so I can replace it, because that seems to be the issue?
What's the brand and model of your toilet? How old is it?
TOTO WT151, about 5.5 years old.
How long has this been going on with your toilet? What have you tried so far?
Over a year right now. I am trying to replace the float section, but I don't see how you actually get it out of the tank or get the new part in.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nope.
Hi, my name is Ben. I will do my best to help you with your issue today. Please do not rate the service until you are satisfied with the information you have received. There are additional charges for a phone call. If you do not wish for a telephone consultation, please ignore/close the pop-up. It is automatically generated. These are very tricky toilets to repair. You have to remove the flush buttons from the wall and all of the mechanism to reach your arm inside the in-wall tank to adjust or replace the toilet float, fill valve, and flapper. https://www.totowt.com/filemanager_uploads/product_assets SS00545_WT151M_WT152M.pdf. Here is the parts list for your toilet. https://www.totouza.com/filemanager_uploads/product_assets PD0624624_WT151M_WT152M.pdf. At the least, I would recommend replacing the flush valve and the fill valve, since you have to tear into the wall.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.